welcome back to Maddie Megan Show, and today I'm by myself again. It's my silver day now. So right now, I got my slime bag. So what you got in here is I got my activator in this tie. I got these glitter glue, some shaving cream, 2 bottles of glue, some of that, I don't know, something to mix with over here. The only thing I'm missing is some containers, so we're gonna be stopping by this. We're gonna be stopping by this $5 to get some containers, and so yeah, I will come right back. I'll come right back. We'll be at $50. So we just put our $50 and yeah, let's go in there and go get some stuff. So let's go. Oh, he's singing the same song. We get $50. Cause what are we gonna get? Oh, they open this. Look at that. So, right here? Guys, they just opened it. Yeah, that's it. What is this one? I'm opening that. You need a pen? Man. I'm trying to go to the containers. So guys, I'm going to the containers. You know me. It's right here, guys. These are what I'm getting. Oh, here you go, then. Here you go, the containers I'm getting. Me? I don't know what you're doing. What is that for, Martha? What you do? You saw that? You saw that? It do nothing. That's what it do. Oh, yes, it was. So, guys, this is what I know. Look up the pictures. Look up the pictures. Yes, guys, so we got these two, and thanks for watching, subscribe, and bye. See you later.